kasi.
Okay, Aaron Porter.
Yes po.
Did you add something to that?
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay.
Belief and values. Values determine what we think is right and good. Importance critical. We find it difficult to accept that is right.
So what is the difference between belief and values?
When we
Kasi
say
parang
belief,
pareho lang.
yes po, para lang po siyang connected. Pero ang belief po, yung paniniwala natin. But yung values po yung rules.
Example ng belief.